Hey, it's Annie. Today I'm going to share an unboxing. This actually just came. I know you're going to be like, girl, are you kidding me? No, I'm not kidding you. I got a new bag. Okay, so here's the deal. So I shared with you that I bought that bag for my daughter, which I love and she loves it. We were in Chicago for New Year's. And so, was it New Year's Day? Yeah. New Year's Day, we were in Chicago and we were at the water tower place. And they have a HENRI BENDEL there, so I wanted to check it out. Just look at what they have or whatever. I wanted to get another bag that had a nice chain on it, like my Gucci bag. I wanted to see it in person first. I didn't want to just order it online. I wanted to see if it was nice or it was, maybe not that great a quality. So I went in there to look at that, but I saw this other bag and I was like, oh my gosh, that bag is just, I love it. So I tried it on, I really liked it. And then the other bag that I had planned on getting, they don't have it in the color I wanted, which is black. But once I looked at it and put it on, I'm like, it doesn't feel like my Gucci bag. Like it just didn't feel like it was as nice. So I looked at this one, that I'm gonna show you in a second. And, but I didn't want to pay, number one, Chicago sales taxes. I think it's 10.5%. I think it's something crazy like that. Chicago sales tax is ridiculous. I think it's the highest in the country. It's ridiculous. Plus, I knew that if I went online, they have sales there all the time, HENRI BENDEL. So I'm like, I'm just gonna wait and order online and use like a code or whatever, I like codes. See, that's why I love it when people have, like, even when YouTubers have codes. I find it helpful because if it'll save me a little bit of money, I love it. So, comes with, oh Jesus, comes with a little bag. So if you're giving it as a gift, it's a gift to me. I wanted to get another, I love my Gucci bag, love it. I use it all the time, but I use it so much that I just don't want to wear it out. I know it sounds silly, but I just don't want to. So I just wanted to have another bag that I could take with me, kind of swap out the two bags. Eventually I'd like to have maybe even a couple more after that. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not going to have like 50 bags or anything like that. But I just wanted like at least another one for now, and maybe down the line get a couple other ones, different styles or whatever. But I really love the chain bag. Now the thing with this one is, it is different from my Gucci. You'll see why. I gotta get this out here. Okay. Wow, it's really nice. This is really nice. I just get all of the paper off of it. So this is what it looks like. The chain, okay, now, you know what I said about my Gucci bag. Now, one thing I liked about my Gucci bag is it wasn't an all-over chain. It was a chain, but then it had the leather strap. But then when I tried this on at the store, it felt nice. This isn't a cheap chain. This feels really nice, and it's flat. So I like that it was flat because I feel like it's not going to dig into my arm, And try it on here so you can see. I'm going to have to back up my camera. Looks like on me. Let me see if I can crossbody it. It didn't say you could, but I think I could wear it crossbodied. I would wear it crossbodied. I think you can wear it crossbodied. I like to be able to wear it. Now with a coat on, I'm not going to be able to wear it crossbodied. But I think it looks good crossbodied. It doesn't say that it's a crossbody bag. But that's a good height for me for a crossbody. I don't have to have it down here. Like that would be a good height for me. So that's what it would look like crossbody on me. If I wore it like that. Or I can wear it like that and double up the chain and wear it like that. Or you can wear it like that, or you can just carry it, which I usually don't carry it like this, but if I wanted to, I could. I'm going to show you the close-up so that it's really a nice chain. It's not flimsy or cheap feeling. It feels really nice. And let me take this off here. So in the back here, You have a little area to put your phone, which I don't think I'm going to do that because I've got a little pop-up socket on mine, so I'm not going to do that. But I like the monogram on it. Can you see that? Isn't that nice? And so that's what it looks like from the front. So it's got this. So to open it, I believe, okay, you just push it in then. You just push it in. So that's nice. And then when you open it up, take the paper out. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you've got a little, oops, you've got a little zip here. So was that open? Okay, so it's open. So you've got a little, it's kind of tight. I don't think you could fit a lot in there. But then you've got that little section right there. Then you've got the middle section here. You can put something in there. And then you've got this in the front there, and you've got, looks like one, is that one pocket? 2 pockets. So you got 2 pockets. So you could probably, I could probably put my phone here, and I could put my reading glasses right there or something like that. I don't carry a lot of stuff in my purse, so I know this isn't going to be too heavy or too bulky. So to shut this, let's see, what do I do? Do I just press it? Put this back in here so I can, okay. So when there's nothing in it, it's hard to close. So to open it, you just press down on that, and then to close it, you just do that, just press it in. So open it, press it in, or press it down to open it, and then you press it in. When it's empty, you can't, it's hard to close it. So anyways, that's that, and you can see what it looks like from the side. But I like this because it doesn't feel like it's heavy. It's about the same size as my Gucci Marmont, and again, I may do a video and compare the two so you can kind of see the size, even though they're totally different bags. They're sort of the same. This one might be slightly bigger, but not much. I just love the hardware. I love this. I love the chain on it. I love this stamped on monogram. I think that's really, really pretty. It's a nice soft leather. I don't know what kind of leather it is, but it's nice. It kind of sort of feels like my Gucci, but really, really nice. And I like this. I just think that's really cool. I don't know, it kind of has like an Art Deco-ish look to it, I guess. To me, that's what it looks like. So I think it's really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to wear it as much now. We'll see. Because I have to wear a really heavy winter coat right now. So it might be kind of bulky with my coat. We'll have to see. But I really, really love it. Like I said, I'm going to wear it around the house and see how it is too. I know it sounds weird. I'm like that with shoes though. When I buy shoes, I will wear them around my house for a little bit to make sure I like them before I commit to it. I'm going to do the same thing with that. Like I'm going to put my stuff in it. I'm going to see how it feels before I commit to it. But I think I really like it. I think I'm going to love it. I think it's going to be fun. So I just think it's so cute. I just love it. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know, do you have any HENRI BENDEL bags? If you do you have any favorites? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will leave the links below. And that is it. Thank you so much, and I will see you real soon. Bye.